Alright, besides the unit being improperly installed, there are things that you do as a homeowner, or people that actually work for you do as a homeowner to mess up your unit. This case, the landscaper. He comes along here with his lawnmower, blows all the grass towards the unit, and I don't know if you can see, but on the coil there, that's grass. And let me tell you something, it's hard to get out of there. Now, see that stuff there? I've already made a pile right there. But yeah, this stuff here will kill your unit. Last year I was out this house like 3 times putting Freon in it, and every time I put Freon in it, I have to wash the coil because my head pressure's up so high. So I've already washed it from the outside. I'm gonna try to get all this stuff out of here. But grass is the worst thing for us because it's really hard to get out, and you could see through the coil and it looked fine until you start running water through it and coil cleaner, and then the grass pops out. So yeah, it definitely won't be able to get air through it. So definitely try to keep the lawnmower away from the unit. Blow the grass away from it. Alright, let's see if we can see some. I've already ran the water hose through here. I don't know if you can see that grass or not, but yeah, this stuff is hard, super hard to get out. It's almost like trying to get chewing gum out of somebody's hair. It's awful. Anyway, so just keep the lawnmower away from the unit. Alright, so I got the unit cleaned up as best I could. You can see down there at the bottom all that rust from where the grass had been sitting, but like I said, I've washed this thing. Every time I come out here, I wash it down here at the bottom. You can see what it's rusting from where the grass hangs out. And last year I know I washed this thing twice. And you know, what do you do? Anyway, it's done now.